Hello everyone, this is Christy from My Chameleon. So today what we are going to show you is the accessories for the AirTag. Ta-da! So today we will show you the first model, which is called Lino by Uniq. So we have up to 4 different colors. As you can see, we have pink, a very sweet subtle pale pink. We have turquoise, or you call it teal color, and this is grayish black. Yeah, this is not black, this is grayish black. And this one is the latest lavender purple color. So as you can see, this one comes with the protective clear film included inside, and the material, they use silicone case with carabiner. So I personally love pink, so I will show you the pink color first. Yeah, so it comes with the silica gel packet inside. Oops. Okay, this one is the protector, the clear protector they have. One is the bigger one, and another one is the smaller one. The small one, I'm guessing it goes to the back of your AirTag, so you can stick it here, and the bigger one sticks in front, so it gives better protection from scratches. Yeah, so this one I will apply later on. So let's see how it fits inside our silicone holder here. Yeah, this is quite soft. If you can see, this is a little bit elastic, very flexible, but still very solid. Yeah. So let's try to fit this in. It should fit snugly. Pull the side, pull the top. There we go. There. Within a second. no, within a minute. Alright. So if you want to use it, you can use this carabiner to attach to your bag, to handbag, to your backpack, to any belongings inside your jacket. You can place it there, but still remember to take it out if you're sending your jacket for dry wash, for laundry. So what else do you want to see? We have purple, we have grey, and we have teal color.